What if the buildings of tomorrow weren't made of steel and concrete, but bamboo? Sounds unusual, right? But this isn't the bamboo you see in your garden or panda snacks. This is engineered bamboo, a high-tech version that's pressed, glued, and shaped into strong, reliable building materials. Think of it like Bamboo 2.0. Now here's the big puzzle researchers wanted to solve. Does bamboo stay just as strong when we build bigger, taller structures? Welcome back to the R&D Lab by Engisphere, where we turn real engineering research papers into stories you can actually enjoy. A team from Changzhou Institute of Technology in China and Western Sydney University in Australia put this to the test. They pressed different bamboo samples, some small and thin, others big and blocky, until they failed. The goal? To see how size and shape affect bamboo's strength. So what did they find? Well, bigger bamboo pieces didn't perform quite as well. But the surprise was in the shape. Stockier, cube-like bamboo blocks were actually stronger and stiffer than tall, skinny ones. In other words, geometry matters. A lot. They also noticed that most failures happened where the glued layers peeled apart, a process called delamination. That means better adhesives could make bamboo even more reliable in the future. Why does all this matter? Because if we can predict how bamboo behaves at large scales, we can design safer, greener buildings, ones that might use bamboo beams instead of concrete or steel. That could make construction more sustainable without sacrificing strength. Pretty exciting, isn't it? So here's my question to leave you with. If engineered bamboo could really rival steel and concrete, would you feel safe living in a bamboo skyscraper? Thanks for tuning in to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay curious.